Hi guys, welcome back to my blog in Architect Studio, and today we're going to visit MesaVerte Residences by Cebu Landmaster Incorporated, located at Osmeña Street, Cagayan de Oro City. But before that, please like and subscribe to my channel Architect Studio and hit the ring bell. MesaVerte Residences is a blooming green sanctuary at the heart of Cagayan de Oro City. It is composed of 3 towers. Each tower has 15 floors adjusted to each other, creating a tranquil hideaway after a long busy day. It embodies a stress-free lifestyle or a respite from a normal everyday concern in the middle of the busy Corrales and Osmeña Street, Cagayan de Oro City. This prime condominium residential area is beautifully landscaped with 60% dedicated to open space for a calm, relaxing environment. The MesaVerte Residences is located within the main commercial business district of Cagayan de Oro City. Living in MesaVerte Residences would give you enjoyable and parallel accessibilities, convenience, and exclusively at the heart of downtown Cagayan de Oro City, within 1 kilometer's radius to Centrio Mall, Gaisano City, Jesus Christ Nazareth Parish, Limkit Kai Center, University of Science and Technology Southern Philippines, Capital University, Xavier University, the Lifestyle District, and Northern Mindanao Medical Center, Pure Gold Cagayan de Oro, SMCDO Downtown Premier, and Makabalan Court. The MesaVerte Residences amenities and facilities are the following: the welcome pavilion, the clubhouse, the children's playground, the air conditioning function rooms, a fitness gym, a adult swimming pool and kiddie pool, a laundry cages, sand-kin pool deck, common parking, a multi-purpose court, a 24-hour security system, a jogging path, a property management service, a retail arcade, and 2 entry point, 2 access road. Welcome to MesaVerte Residences, a Cebu Landmasters Incorporated development located at Osmeña Street, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental, Philippines.
Please subscribe to Architect Studio by Gerald Manuel for more amazing videos.